In, you'll be thoroughly shocked and surprised as police, DSS, army beef up security around National Assembly. Why would they be beefing up security? If everything is all right, they should not be bothering to beef up security. They're only beefing up security because they know what they've cost. And some of them are still supporting Buhari. Okay? They should not beef up security. They should be there. Okay? They should be there and having a nice time and a fantastic time and not even bother about what is happening to Nigerians. Okay? They should definitely be, they should not do anything. Say because NLC are protesting. So is that the only reason why they are beefing it up? Or the current security spray that has been going up, in the nation's capital, Abuja. Okay, so these are part of the things that are going on, my wonderful people, and it's about time we rise up to the occasion and ensure that we get the right candidates. Remember that it has become, a point of call for every one of us to stand for what is right and necessary to move forward. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Just in, please, DSS beef up security around the National Assembly in Abuja. Officers of the Nigerian Police Force, agencies of the Department of State Security Services, and the Nigerian Civil Defense Corps have doubled security at the National Assembly complex in Abuja over an ongoing protest by the Nigerian Labour Protest, NLC. NLC, in solidarity with the Academic Staff Union of Universities, are protesting against the continuous closure of Nigerian University. The federal government has refused to consider the demands of ASU, a development that has kept universities in the country shut for several months now. The protest currently ongoing is being led by the NLC President Ayibo Omoyele Sowore, ASU President Emmanuel, Senator Shehu Sani, among other prominent Nigerians. Protesters are gradually moving towards the National Assembly complex to register their grievances. Our correspondent spotted several police vehicles and officers in an anti-riot gear, ready for anything. Speaking on the matter, the Public Relations Officer of the Federal Capital Territory Police Command, DSP Josephine Adia, said operatives were deployed to the complex to protect the protesters from attack and also to curb whatever violence that may erupt during the ongoing protests. The National Assembly for recent times has seriously been watched, especially with the recent security threats in that area rising from terrorist attack on the Kuje Correction Center, which has led a lot of Nigerians to be worried about the current security situation of the country. Joining the protest that is going on for the Academic Union of University Staff, the police, army, and soldiers has been informed to ensure that Nigerians National Assembly lawmakers are protected, hence the heavy presence of security personnel in the National Assembly. So when you don't keep your place safe, okay, or when you have leaders who are sabotaging the system, then you'll be very worried. We should be very worried. When we have leaders who are part of those sabotaging the whole system, then there is serious call for concern. Because Buhari's silence, this part, they've made a video and they promise that their target is actually Buhari and the governor of Kaduna State, El-Rufai. And I would say, why not go there? Why go ahead and make the life of the common man on the street unbearable? Okay, go and meet the person, the bone of contention. I think you guys owe that person a serious, you guys need to, approach the person and settle the matter with the said individual rather than, going ahead. Okay, rather than going ahead and doing, and facing other people. So it is what it is, and it is right that everybody do what is absolutely right and, necessary for Nigeria to move forward. The days are upon us where Nigerians must rise, okay, where Nigerians must rise and do the right thing. The days are upon us right now. So it is what it is. It is what it is, and, we must do, we must do that which is nice, which is right by us, because we don't have leaders who are concerned with the people. Okay, we don't have leaders who are concerned with the life and property of the people. As a matter of fact, your president, your president is out there, telling the nations, telling, other people how to successfully look after themselves in situation where, you are having terrorist situation. What is happening in this country that has not been able to manage? Okay, what is not being able to manage. So these are some of the things, we need to be careful about. We need to be very, very careful about. Well, my wonderful people, these are part of the things that are going on, and Nigerians, we need to be very careful. We need to be very careful because we don't have leaders, to a large extent, who are concerned with the dealings and the need and what is going on with the people. All they are really concerned about is themselves. All they are concerned about is whatever we give them power, irrespective of how the thing affect the people. Oh, they don't care. They don't really care. It's not about how it will affect the people. It's about how their own, things that will happen to them. So this is what is happening, and why every one of us, we have a duty to rise up and to refuse oppressiveness being pushed at us at the very current administration. So it is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. And so every one of us have got a duty to stand and to speak out and to defend us. You see, we must defend us. Leave us a comment. Remember that you and I, if we refuse to speak, they will take advantage of us. They will take advantage of all that we stand for and we entails, and they will go ahead and do whatever they want to do. It is what it is. Well, my wonderful people, it's about time we all begin to rise up to the occasion. We all get our PVCs. Let's spread out the news. Let's ensure that more and more people, get informed of all that is currently on ground. And at the end of the day, we are truly a happier people. Okay, we are truly happy about what's going on, and we are content and confident that this is the decision we made, and we are happy and we're going to be living by it. You see, so these are the days upon us. These are the things happening. Anyway, my wonderful people, what do you think? Remember that we must together, bring out laws and things that could potentially move us forward. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye.